Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you all how to make bread at home. First, we are going to proof the yeast, and to do that we would need some warm water, sugar and yeast. Proofing the yeast first helps to detect dead or inactive yeast. It promotes even fermentation and prevents underproofing as well. So do well to proof your yeast first, okay? Mix that to combine and then set it aside in a warm place so it can proof. Next would be to combine the dry ingredients. Here I've got some flour, sugar, milk flavor and salt. So I'll mix them together. Milk flavor helps to improve the texture and enhance flavor. It also adds calcium and protein content to the bread. So do well to add milk flavor, okay? Once I'm done mixing that, I would now check on the proofed yeast. Obviously, it has proofed so well, so our yeast is active. I'm now going to transfer that into the dry ingredients and then use my hands to bring them together. While doing that, I noticed that the liquid is not enough, so I added in more warm water. Please ensure to always use warm water whenever you're working with yeast because that is the only way the yeast can proof. Yeast only works in hot place. If your water is cold or room temperature, it's not going to activate the yeast. Next would be to knead the dough on my countertop and then add in the butter or margarine in batches. Adding the margarine or butter in batches while kneading by hand helps to create a rich, tender, and flaky dough that is perfect for bread. If you're using a stand mixer or any kind of electric mixer, you can add in the butter one at a time. But while kneading by hand, it's advisable to add it in batches so you can control the dough. I would continue kneading that, and while kneading I'm now going to add in some oil. So you can use vegetable oil, almond oil, olive oil, any kind of oil at all that you prefer, but I'm using vegetable oil. Combining butter and oil while making bread helps to enhance the shelf life. It also improves the texture and balance the flavor. So that is the reason why I'm using vegetable as well. Knead that until it is smooth. I kneaded mine for about 45 minutes by hand. It takes a lot of time but is achievable. After that, I'm now going to grease my pan. This is the pan I'm using. I'm greasing this with some margarine and then some vegetable oil as well. While greasing your pan, please be generous with the amount of oil and butter you use because it's going to help you take out the bread easily when it's ready. So once I'm done with that, I'm now going to divide my dough into two parts. I work with one at a time. Just use your hands to spread it out, just as seen in the video. I spread out the dough using the size of my pan in mind so that when I put it into the pan, it's going to fit in perfectly. So do well to always put that into consideration. Once you're done rolling that out, you now fold and pinch as you go. You fold and pinch so that it is not going to roll out. You don't want it to look like cinnamon roll when you're done. So do well to do that, okay? Once you're done, you now go in with some butter and vegetable oil. Rub that on the dough generously. Then transfer into the greased pan and allow this to rise for about 45 to 1 hour depending on how heat the environment is. Then you pop that into the oven for 30 minutes, 120 degrees C. And here we have it. Our bread is ready. Trust me, if you make bread at home, you will not want to get bread from the store anymore. I'm just going to slice into it. As you can see, it looks so good. I hope you all get to give this a try. Please do well to check the description box below for the recipe, and don't forget to like this video, drop your comment. If you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, tap the notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know in the comment section what you love to pair with bread. I'll see you all next time. Bye.